I wrong for wearing a helmet on a Harley? What's up, everybody? It's your boy Get This Nick. I'm back with another Motovlog. How you guys been doing? What do we got there? It's me and the girl Juicy Lucy. We're out and about, guys. The weather in Chicago has been absolutely ridiculous. I'm talking like the past 3 or 4 weeks. It has been cloudy, wet, rainy, all the bad stuff mushed into one. And I really haven't been on the bike that much, guys. I've been working a lot, and with the weather being the way it's been, I kind of just I thought that guy was gonna pull out. With the weather being the way it's been, I've kind of just been chilling. I've been working, like I said, and stuff like that, but we're getting some crazy weather right now too. It literally went from cloudy, rainy, wet, all that mumbo jumbo, to it's like 90 degrees and 100% humidity. It is like crazy out here. But you know what? If it's not raining, your boy's got to get out here and blast around on the Juicy Lucy. It's all I could do. I got to take advantage of it somehow. Anyways, guys, I hope everything has been good with all you guys. Check out the channel. We're at about a little shy of 200 subscribers on the channel, so moving along a little bit. I wanted to get out here and do another video, guys, because it was something that's been on my mind, and I've been seeing a lot more bikes, and it's been kind of refreshing my memory and stuff like that. So I touched on this a little bit in earlier videos, not much, and it's just something I wanted to bring up to your guys' attention to see what you guys think. So let me get into it. So as you know, I got the Juicy Lucy. I got the Road King, right? I told you guys before I had a V-Rod, and then before that I had a Honda CBR 600. So all the time when I have been riding bikes, motorcycles, I would always wear a full face helmet. From the CBR 600 to the V-Rod to now the Road King, always a full face helmet. Now, as you can see by my arms here, I'm not out here in like full leathers and like a full jumpsuit and stuff like that, but I always make sure I have the full face helmet. It is just, I don't know, out of all things, I'm not the greatest with, like I said, watching out for the other stuff, but if I could at least have the full face helmet, I at least feel like I'm doing something right. I'm protecting myself in some sort of way, and plus, like, your head is the most important, whatever. That's just my opinion, okay? I'm just putting that out there. I don't need you guys to start yelling at me saying, yeah, but if you wear a full face helmet, then you don't have the wind blowing in your hair, and the whole point of a motorcycle is to be free, and if you just have that helmet on sucking on your head the whole time, you ain't really being free. Alright, I really don't want to hear it. You know what I mean? I appreciate the advice or your opinion, but your boy Get This Nick, he's real stupid, he's real crazy, but at the end of the day, I'm going to be wearing that full face helmet, man. I got it. I feel naked without it. But anyways, so this is the point I'm trying to get to here, guys. That's what I'm setting up for. Bear with me. So I noticed I'm on some of these pages on Facebook, these motorcycle rider pages and stuff, and like the debate, the weird debate of should I wear a helmet or should I not, it's like other people will ask for other people's opinions on it. Like, hey guys, this is my Kawasaki Vulcan I'm gonna be buying. Do you think I should be wearing a helmet? Blah blah blah. Like, it comes down to so many different things. You know what I mean? It's like, first off, there's some states that there's a helmet law required, so you have to wear a helmet. Unless you're gonna try to go out without it, get ticketed. I don't know what they do if you're in a state that has a helmet law and you don't wear a helmet, and if you get like pulled over, I don't know what they do. If they just give you a ticket or what they can do. But regardless, there's so many people that go back and forth trying to debate and go like and butt heads about this whole like helmet debate, where the people that wear the helmets are like, you're stupid if you don't wear one, blah blah blah, and then the people that don't wear them are like, why are you gonna wear a helmet, blah blah blah. It's just like weird that people like me, if I see a guy, girl, whoever that's riding a motorcycle that doesn't have a helmet on, it's not like I sit here and I'm like, man, that stupid they should be wearing a helmet, they should be wearing one, that's wrong, you should, like, I don't care. Like, if you're gonna wear a helmet, great. If you're not gonna, okay, great. Like, at the end of the day, you're out on two wheels, you're riding, cruising, doing the same thing I'm doing. I love it. But some people, they let it get to them so bad. And I've even had people come to me, guys, you know, that when they saw me when I was on the CBR 600 with a full face helmet, they kind of just, they didn't even bat an eye. It was just kind of like, yeah, he's wearing a helmet, he's on a crotch rocket, it's all good. But when I went to the V-Rod and I was, you know, wearing a helmet on that, and then even now with the Road King with Juicy Lucy, I'm wearing a helmet on this, people fucking, this guy is like, I don't know what the hell this guy's trying to do. People, like, I don't know, they freak out. They're like, you're on a Harley, you shouldn't be wearing that, you shouldn't be wearing that, you got to get rid of the helmet, blah blah blah. I just don't understand it. Like, because I'm riding a Harley and not a crotch rocket, now I shouldn't wear a helmet? What? Has anyone else gotten this or experienced this at all? I mean, someone give me some insight here. Give me a comment, drop me something. Like, am I wrong for wearing a helmet on a Harley? I mean, do I look that stupid? I mean, what's going on? Why is this such a thing? Why am I concerned about this when I shouldn't be? You know, I'm really just trying to figure it out. Someone's got to drop me a comment below, guys. I don't care what you do. I don't care if you wear a helmet all the time and you got something to say about the guys that don't wear helmets, or vice versa. If you don't wear a helmet and you feel this type of way about the guys wearing the helmets, give me something to work with, because I don't understand why it bothers people so much that I'm on a Harley wearing a full face helmet, or that I wear a full face helmet in general. You know what I mean? There's some people that just, I don't know, man, it's just odd to me. I just don't get it. You guys gotta drop a comment, man. Help me out, help explain, help me see the other side. I don't know. I mean, give me something to work with, guys. Like I said, drop a comment if you wear a helmet, if you don't wear a helmet, what you feel about it. Do you care? I mean, do you wear do you switch it up? Like when you're on a crotch rocket, do you wear a full face, and then when you go to a cruiser, a Harley, Indian, whatever you got, you just switch to like a half helmet? I mean, give me your honest opinion on what you do, or what you think is the way you follow it, because I don't know. I'm full face all the time, no matter the bike, no matter where I'm going. But apparently that's wrong to some people. But you know me, I don't care at the end of the day anyways. I'm just trying to see what you guys think. You know what I mean? But like I said, I hope all you guys have been doing well. Me and Juicy Lucy have been good. She's been snoozing in the garage. I've been working a lot. 1 second, guys. I've been chilling, working. She's been chilling. You know what I mean? So, and then plus the weather hasn't been that great. So I know I've been slacking on the videos a little bit. I've been slacking a little bit. I get it. I get it. You don't gotta yell at me. You don't gotta bash me about it. I've been throwing the YouTube shorts up there, just small little clips, stuff like that, just trying to get something out there. You know what I mean? But we're gonna get to it. We're gonna get to it. It's just, I can't do nothing about weather, guys. I'm sorry. I love riding the motorcycle. I love making videos for you guys. But if it's 40 degrees out, wet and cloudy, I'm not doing it. Now that the weather's breaking a little bit and we're getting something other than rain, your boy's gonna be out here. So once again, guys, thanks for checking out the video. Hope all you guys have been well. Hope you guys have been riding safe, riding at all, as long as the weather's been looking good for where you guys are at. If you're watching the channel, you're debating on getting a motorcycle, I don't know what there's to debate. Go buy the bike already, right? Other than that, though, appreciate all you guys and all the support. I will see you on the next video. Oh, and 1 second, I also have people still commenting and asking about my Olin suspension upgrade that I did to this baby. You know, other people wanted like a little update video, or I guess like a short-term review or a 1,000-mile review, whatever it comes out to, of the suspension. So maybe that'll be my next video. If you guys want to see that, be on the lookout for that. Maybe I'll do something quick about that. But other than that, that'll be it. Hope everything's been well. You guys take it easy. Peace!